Hello, everyone, and have a good day to you all. Welcome back to Mr. Guru English. You know, Alex, sometimes when I'm practicing my English, I feel like I make the same small mistakes again and again.
Hello, Mia, and hello, everyone. That is a completely normal part of learning, and you are not alone. So today, we are going to help with that. We will talk about 5 common mistakes English beginners make, and most importantly, how to fix them easily.
This sounds so helpful. I think learning to avoid these small mistakes can make a big difference in how natural you sound.
It makes a huge difference. So, let's dive into our first common mistake. I want you to give me your opinion on this statement. Learning from mistakes is the best way to learn.
Oh, that's easy. I completely think so. I am agree with that statement.
Ah, and that is a perfect example of our first mistake. I am agree. We hear this all the time. The problem is that the word agree is a verb, just like eat, run, or speak.
Oh, so we don't need the verb am or is before it.
Exactly. You wouldn't say, I am eat pizza. You just say, I eat pizza. It's the same with agree. The correct phrase is simply, I agree.
That makes so much sense now. So if you ask me again, I would say, I agree. Learning from mistakes is the best way to learn.
Perfect. A very simple fix. Okay, are you ready for mistake number 2?
I'm ready. Okay, let me try to make a sentence. My brother, he is a great person, but he don't like to clean his room.
Another excellent and very common mistake. This is about the third-person singular rule. In English, for he, she, and it, we add an S to the end of the verb. In the negative form, do not becomes does not or doesn't.
So it's only for he, she, and it?
That's right. The pattern is I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't, but he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't.
I see. So the correct sentence is, my brother, he doesn't like to clean his room.
Exactly right. Now you've got it. Let's move on to a mistake that can really change the meaning of your sentence.
Ooh, that sounds serious. Okay, let's say I'm sitting at home on a rainy day and I have nothing to do. I would say, I'm so boring.
Be very careful with that one. If you say, I'm boring, you are saying that your personality is boring and you make other people feel bored.
Oh no, that's not what I mean at all. So what should I say?
When you are talking about your own feeling, you need to use the adjective ending in ed. So, you feel bored. The thing that causes the feeling ends in ing. The rainy day is boring.
Ah, so the movie is boring, and because of the movie, I feel bored.
You've explained it perfectly. That's the rule. You are interested in a topic, but the topic is interesting. You are tired after a long day because the day was tiring.
Okay, I'm ready for the next one. This is about my hobbies. I often listen music to relax.
So close. This is a tiny preposition mistake that almost every learner makes. With the verb listen, we almost always need the preposition to right after it.
So it's not listen music, it's listen to music?
Yes, think of it like a pair of words that always go together. Listen to. We listen to music. We listen to a podcast. We listen to the teacher.
That's an easy one to remember. From now on, I will always listen to your advice.
I hope so. All right, let's do our fifth and final common mistake for today.
Okay, last one. Let's say I have been studying with Mr. Guru English for a few weeks, so my English is more better now.
Your English is definitely better. And that's the only word you need, better. The word better already means more good. So we don't need to add the word more again.
So it's wrong to say more better because it's like saying more good.
Exactly. This is called a double comparative. The same is true for other comparative words like worse, bigger, or smaller. We just use the word by itself.
I understand. So the weather today is better than yesterday.
A perfect sentence.
Wow, those were 5 fantastic tips. Fixing those small things can make a huge difference.
It really can. Let's quickly review the correct phrases. I agree. He doesn't. I'm bored. Listen to music. And simply, better.
Now, we have a question for all of you watching. In the comments, please tell us, which of these 5 mistakes did you sometimes make? It's okay to admit it. We are all here to learn together.
We would love to read your comments. And if this lesson helped you, please show your support by giving it a like, sharing it with a friend,
And of course, subscribing to Mr. Guru English for more youthful lessons every week. Thank you for joining our midweek lesson.
We hope you have a wonderful and productive day. Goodbye, and see you in the next lesson.